How are you, mate?
Yeah, good, thanks. How are you?
Good. So welcome across from St. Peter's College, mate.
Yeah, thanks, yeah.
Good.
Yeah.
So you've got year 12 this year?
I just finished year 12, actually.
You finished?
Yeah.
Fantastic, mate. So what are you doing this year then?
Probably take it chill, take it relax.
Yeah, 12 months off?
Nah, back to studies,
Really?
Probably either uni or year 13 or something like that.
Okay.
Yeah, it depends.
Excellent.
Yeah, see where I go.
Okay, so you came across and did the Vort Pack 1 with us.
Yep.
Would you like to share with the students how you found things here?
Yeah, so I hadn't done any lessons before, so I came here to Carmen and he pretty much taught me everything, or like everything, because I was just a crap driver. So,
you had Teresa first, didn't you?
Yeah, she's really nice. Carmen's a bit more tough, but you need to be tough.
Tough, mate. Get you boys right.
Yeah, I only just passed, so that was up to Carmen.
You know what? A pass is a pass, mate.
Yeah.
Just a pass in the pass is still a pass.
That's right. Yeah.
So ultimately, you did.
So yeah, got my P's now.
Bingo.
Yeah.
There's the magic P number. All right, pal. Well, look, congratulations.
Yeah,
it's been fantastic to have you.
Yeah, thank you very much.
Yeah, a bit of a bomb under you sometimes to get you moving.
Yeah.
But we got there. So that's fantastic news. And we've seen many of your other boys coming through the past few weeks from Saints.
Yeah.
Some are still doing their 12, etc. And you're the one that's moving on.
A bit slow, but got my P's, but yeah.
Oh, that's okay. Hey, I've had people at 57 get their P's.
Right. Okay.
So you're a young one compared to them.
Yeah.
Yeah. Congratulations, pal. All the best, Novindu.
All right, thank you very much.
It's been great having you on board.
Cheers.
See you, mate. Bye.